Today, we're going to talk about two types of nouns: common nouns and proper nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, things, or animals. They help us talk about the world around us. Common nouns are words that name general or ordinary things. For example, dog is a common noun. It can be any dog, not a specific one. Proper nouns, on the other hand, are words that name specific or unique people, places, or things. These always start with a capital letter. For example, Fido is a proper noun because it's the name of a specific dog. Common nouns are like the big category names, while proper nouns are like the special names. Let's look at some examples. City is a common noun because it's a general word for any city. But New York City is a proper noun because it's the specific name of a city. Month is a common noun because it's a general word for any month. However, September is a proper noun because it's the specific name of a month. We often use proper nouns to give things or people their unique identity. So, in summary, common nouns are general names, and proper nouns are specific names starting with a capital letter. Both are essential for language, helping us communicate effectively.
Now let us listen to the short conversation.
Hey, did you learn about nouns today?
Yep. The teacher talked about common and proper nouns.
What's the difference between them?
Well, common nouns are for general things, like dog or book. They're not specific. But proper nouns are for special things, like Fluffy or Harry Potter. They always start with a capital letter.
I think I understand. So, apple is a common noun, but gala is a proper noun because it's a specific type of apple, right?
Exactly. You're getting the hang of it. And Paris is a proper noun because it's the name of a city, but city is just a common noun.
Got it. So, common nouns are like the big group names, and proper nouns are the unique names.
That's right. Common nouns are for everyday things, and proper nouns make things special.
Thanks for explaining. Nouns seem pretty cool.
They are. And you'll see them everywhere when you start looking.
Now let us do the exercise. Instructions. Look at each word and decide if it is a common noun or a proper noun. New York. It's a proper noun. School. It's a common noun. Elsa. It's a proper noun. Car. It's a common noun. Christmas. It's a proper noun. Spider-Man. It's a proper noun. Dog. It's a common noun. Beach. It's a common noun. Mount Everest. It's a proper noun. Book. It's a common noun. Great job! You've practiced identifying common and proper nouns. Keep up the good work.